Oh, hello there. Would you like to learn how to make a $6,000 a month income from your own home and live the life that you want to do? All from building a wildly profitable affiliate business of your own. And I'm hosting a free training workshop where you can find out exactly how to do this for yourself. So all you need to do to get there is to click the link that you see around this video. It'll either be below or up in the top corner here. So you can click on that link and you'll be taken straight to the training. I'm Ed Kirwan and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye now. Bye-bye.
I'm 15, and within one day I'd made my first commission.
And it's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good money now.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited.
Hey everyone, my name is Jonas, where John says that you're going to make your first commissions within 2 hours, and I thought that seemed a little bit too fast, but I did make 2 sales, so that's awesome.
I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online.
Hi, my name's John Crestani, and this is your invitation to join a webinar on how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
Learn how you can create your own online income, then register for this webinar today. There should be a link below or a box somewhere on this page. See you there.